Imagine a world where your creativity pays you without the constant grind of traditional work. That's the promise of passive income, a beautiful combination of strategy, technology, and a little elbow grease up front. By following this guide, you're not just creating content, you're planting seeds for a future where your income grows autonomously, even while you sleep. Each piece of content you generate with ChatGPT and Pictory is an investment in your financial freedom, allowing you to build an expansive library that consistently works for you. So, are you ready to take that leap? Next, let's dive deeper into the method of creating passive income using ChatGPT. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the process, remember that each step is designed to be manageable and effective. Start by selecting a niche that sparks your interest and aligns with market demand. This is key to ensuring that your content resonates with an audience eager for valuable insights. Once you've chosen your niche, let ChatGPT harness its capabilities to craft engaging scripts tailored to your chosen topic. For instance, a prompt like, create a 1,000-word blog post explaining how to start investing with $100 can yield valuable content. As you fine-tune and polish the scripts, you set the stage for success, so each part of the process advances your goal of earning passive income, steadily building your online presence and influence over time. To maximize your content's profitability, consider diversifying the platforms where you publish. For example, not only should you upload to YouTube, but also share snippets on social media like TikTok or Instagram. Each short clip can link back to the full video, driving traffic to your main asset. This strategy amplifies your reach and engages different audience demographics, increasing your chances of generating more passive income from a wider array of viewers. By establishing a presence on multiple platforms, you ensure your content not only survives but thrives in the digital landscape. Step 5. Promote your videos and content. Before your content can earn, it needs visibility. Share your videos across social media platforms, collaborate with other creators, and engage with viewers in the comments section. Building an audience is essential as it drives traffic and encourages sharing. Consider using SEO strategies on your video titles and tags to enhance discoverability. The more eyes on your videos, the greater your potential for passive income growth, establishing a cycle of success that builds momentum over time. To achieve continued success, it's essential to track your performance. Use analytics tools to monitor which videos generate the most views and engagement. Reflecting on this data allows you to refine your content strategy further, honing in on what resonates most with your audience. Additionally, don't hesitate to revisit and refresh older videos based on viewer feedback or new trends. By staying agile and responsive to changes in audience preferences, you ensure that your content remains relevant and profitable over time, reinforcing your position as a trusted source of valuable information in your niche. Step by step, you cultivate not only a passive income but also a community eager for your insights. As you nurture this growth, remember that patience is key. It takes time for seeds to sprout into fruitful income streams. Each video, blog post, or ebook serves as a building block in your content portfolio, steadily paving the way for financial stability and success. Embrace the process, leverage the tools at your disposal, and watch as your efforts transform into a sustainable income source that works tirelessly, even while you sleep. Now, go boldly into this exciting venture and start shaping your future today. Step 6. Engage with your audience. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments and answering questions to foster a sense of community. This builds loyalty and encourages people to return to your content, increasing views and engagement over time. Creating polls or Q&A sessions can also generate excitement around your videos, helping you tailor future content directly to your audience's interests. By embracing this engagement, you not only enhance your visibility but also enrich the viewer experience, turning casual viewers into devoted followers. Building this rapport is essential for long-term success and ongoing passive income growth. To effectively scale your passive income efforts, Consider automating aspects of your content creation process. Tools like scheduling software for social media can streamline your promotional activities, ensuring that your videos reach the widest audience possible without added effort. This efficiency allows you to focus your energy on creating high-quality content while maintaining a consistent presence across all platforms. By following this roadmap, you're not just dipping your toes into passive income, you're diving headfirst into a realm where your creativity and smart strategies coalesce into a continuous revenue stream. Now, it's time to unleash your potential and let your content work for you, effortlessly generating wealth as you pursue your passions. Want this entire workflow in a free Notion dashboard or checklist? Comment AI system below. Subscribe to the Smart Money Lab for more videos like this every week, where we turn free AI tools into scalable income streams. Thanks for watching. Now go build something that earns while you sleep. See you next time.